Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
So then,
King.
go on.
They want
Mommy.
Kino.
Here, and she know my name.
Hear him from Kino.
Yeah, from what you come look for you, know, come here say they.
Oh, didn't you that?
Me you say in the hospital. So then.
Didn't you that?
No, boy.
Come here you say they in the hospital.
Yeah.
I want to her.
Caesar.
Shall we stitch her again?
Yeah. Main balik on the wall.
She look her head on the wall.
Yeah.
But that's a me sit down, Sabrina so best. And Sabrina so when you want to do I'm going to bend down so at the wall and see it's a shape. I'm going to look for her and bring her back.
So, in a long time now since it happened.
And them 2 years now.
2 years.
2 years old.
I kept her and I kept her.
Kepra.
Yeah.
What, the pill?
Yeah, Kepra.
I cause it?
I stopped from Orbit.
Oh, it stop her?
From Orbit. So she had Orbit 2 years. It's a pattern by now. It's 10 grand. So she had 2 years straight.
Yeah.
And I've been in the kitchen.
Oh, treat done.
She done. So well, I'm going to support for your contribution where you know you can help towards. Yeah, so I scan, the CT scan. Where you say I'm just say for the 35,000?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm get a donation for she do the CT scan. Yeah, so I went up planning for bring her.
Can bring her tomorrow.
Yeah. So we get the money for she do the CT scan.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we get we have 35,000 from the behalf of Granny Bubble daughter, Raquel, from the Bahamas. Yeah. 35,000 for your CT scan. So can I make it count it? Count it, mommy. 35,000 from Granny Bubble daughter from the Bahamas.
Thanks, Akin. You make
Yeah, that is from Granny Bubble daughter from the Bahamas, Raquel. 35,000 for your CT scan.
Thanks, Chris.
Her name is Raquel.
Thanks, Akin.
Yeah, that's Granny Bubble daughter from the Bahamas. I'm supposed to be familiar with the name. Yeah, and you also have $10,000 from Carl and Denise from the US. Yeah.
Thank you.
check down. $10,000 from Carl and Dennis.
Carl and Dennis, thanks. God bless you. Make more for the public.
Yeah, so as I must say, anything else we get towards, we'll come and make sure say.
Yes, she let talk about one room. She want one room.
Different place.
But
Come
we
on,
want
let us have
but-
to wife.
The room fair, but she has the step to I have to come up on. She wants to have down at the yard.
Up on the flat.
She want to go on the flat.
Yeah.
Oh, she wanted a room in the yard.
Yeah, come to town, can money set up.
Then again through the season.
Don't tell them when
And she waiting.
man to me.
So yeah, so now you can make sure do the scan. And then we find out. Yeah, and we find out, so we come back and we check. So we can make them see what go on the program, because we might continue to reach out towards our cause. You know, and if that
I
can
go over to the percent Andrew.
percentage.
Come here.
Yeah.
Okay.
We are go percent in the hospital. But we did the scan
Yeah.
tomorrow.
And that's to the person.
Yeah.
And yes, so
I thanks very much. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah,
God
so-
always.
God bless you.
so the family with the name Raquel from Granny Bobby. Yeah, from the Bahamas.
Cousin.
Okay.
Aunt's cousin.
Oh, is that your last cousin?
Yeah, I'm cousin because cousin. Thanks cousin.
Okay. So big up yourself.
Yeah,
Raquel
always
from,
okay.
from the Bahamas.
My mom was always because of the cousin. But I all going.
Yeah. And also Carl and Dennis from the USA.
Thanks God bless you USA.
Yeah. So at least that can. So should they get more pay?
No,
No, they keep her alone. Keep her alone.
my mom buy that.
Yeah. So at least they can try and buy that.
That
So,
bite. That bite, man.
so me come back and check another week.
Yeah.
And you just let me know the result and where that go on from there. So that's the first step.
Yeah.
Is to get the scan out the way. Yeah, so
Yeah, thanks.
sorry for your happen again, you know. So hopefully it won't happen again. So we are praying to the Almighty. It won't happen again. Yeah, you chose still a scratcher.
When time you go, you have to ask them for a cream for the children.
Still a scratcher.
Just sore.
Yeah.
So it's a hard job should they get? When you should have the seizure?
She dropped one time she got 3rd Street. She walk at the boom.
Too high.
She drop over there. So.
Short, she bring over
What's up over here, sir?
Yeah.
If this never the over more, she could have walked over. See me, but bring out this. She said she'd have a step this as well, myself for sure she would have go.
Oh yeah, so I shall feel well from the
Because she have
side.
to have that little piece there fight. And they was on the flood.
And the tree come out.
When I was on the flood, when I was on the flood.
So that was on the flag.
Yeah.
Then I love to get out on the flag.
Yeah, I was on the flat to push back. They had space.
Run on the back, she run on the back.
Run at the back.
Oh, yeah, big space.
Okay. When I win that time. Should have been
I'm gonna try.
When my back was
Yeah. So you know we have to try and sort out the main thing first, which is your health. So you know that's the first thing we have to sort out first.
Yeah.
So the operation, how much operation that them said it cost?
30 feet operation.
30,000 too? Okay, and the CT scan at 35. Okay. So which part of my cut?
No, the market are go back to after Untitled and the open here. Let me more paper and paper. Send them to the hospital.
Driving to show the people.
No, no, where they put it?
They were supposed to never get in the house.
Wow. So from when in there?
Monday on Saturday.
Oh, so almost a week in there for. That's a long time. Long time though. So you feeling a little better now?
Much better.
Much better.
I feel dizzy more time. More trouble again.
You feel dizzy more time?
Yeah.
So that means you can't sit up too much, you have to like lie down.
Yeah.
Yeah, kind of lie down now at least if you feel dizzy now, you know. Because we know what.
name on my side.
On your side.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, it's sealed.
Oh, it's sealed.
Pull it.
Pull it. I must have them something down. I need to pull it. I must have them. Next time I get to it.
In a pull.
Yeah, so that I have to go for the doctor.
Yeah, we don't breathe them and get them.
Yeah. So soothing, so let's go on with the faith saying, yeah. And you know, we are continuing to come search and we'll come check up and see how the CTs can go.
Yeah.
Because how long it takes to get back the result?
Sweetie, let me see. No.
CT is going to be a public hospital. CT is going to be a public hospital. In the city, it's going to be a public.
Send and then send me to you.
Probably I thought what was on we get it all set there or the I try private.
Yeah, hopefully. So, alright, then yesterday, so take care.
Thanks.
So you see my again. Mommy, blessings, yeah?
Take care yesterday.
Alright, then.
Next time
We all.
Kino contract.
It's still up on the bag.
What is?
Yeah, now move the bag.
Push it back to the middle. Yeah.
Yes, silence.
Take the keep it up and curl a little bit. So what was the Terry? She has just come.
Yeah, I just reach.
Tata with a nice pillow. Yes, Tata.
But you like to tell me where I'm sleep.
Oh, you sleep on the new bed, Tata? Oh, you sleep? Comfortable?
Some Tata.
Eh?
Some Tata comfortable.
So, yeah, TV still on the wall. Mama, Tata going to do things. And look a boombox.
Yeah.
Tata. And another thing, the builder not bring him drill.
Bring him back with him.
They bring the drill?
Never seen it.
You have a drill on the wall.
We'll get the next extension.
Never know if you bring the drill. As a drill, that I need.
Yeah, man, because you know, nail can't, hammer can't.
Yeah, you have a drill.
Drill it in there.
Put on the wall. So, Tata, I have donation for you. And I have a donation also for Trini and Diane as well too. Tata. So we got $5,000 from the choir, them one known as the choir from the USA. Count this for me for you. $5,000 from the choir.
That's a $5,000 from the choir. 1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. So
Okay.
tell the choir your appreciation. Tell them thank you.
Thank you,
From the
choir.
Yeah,
You really appreciate it, you know? So we give thanks.
Yeah, yeah.
yeah. And you also have,
It's real money, this.
Yeah, man.
yeah. So Tata, so you also have a donation from Doreen and Dorrington from the Roosevelt Freeport Church of Christ in Long Island, New York. Another $5,000. Trini, count this for him, please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And that,
So tell them,
and
yeah,
that's
tell
from
them thanks.
Doreen and Dorrington
Yeah, from the,
from
yeah.
the Roosevelt Freeport Church of Christ in Long Island, New York.
Tell them thanks in Long Island. Lorraine.
They can tell them thanks.
Thank you, everybody.
Yeah, up there. And you also have $2,000 from a woman of God in the USA. $2,000 woman of God.
$2,000 from the woman of God in the USA. 1, 2. So tell the lady thanks.
So tell the woman of God, thank you.
Thank you from the woman of God.
Yeah, woman of God.
So like thanks, I appreciate it.
And also Diane, I got $5,000 for the good work you've been putting in, for looking after Tata. I always there, you and Trini, always there for him. And I really appreciate, and the people don't really appreciate that as well too, you understand?
Yeah.
People don't really appreciate for you always there because you never must have to be there for him.
True.
They could have spent your time elsewhere, you understand? So you have to give thanks for the energy you put in for him because as I say, you never must have to do it. You could have done your own thing and you still find time whenever you can to come and see and help him. This is from Doreen and Dorrington, from the Roosevelt Freeport Church of Christ, Long Island, New York, $5,000.
Thank you.
So count it for me, please.
Doreen and what? Dorrington?
Yes.
Thanks Doreen and Dorrington from Roosevelt Freeport Church of God in Long Island. God bless you all.
Yeah, let's count it them please.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah.
And Chini, same as well from Doreen and Dorrington, from the Roosevelt Freeport Church of Christ in Long Island. $5,000 for the good work you've been doing and doing.
Just want to say thanks very much. Really appreciate it. Thanks Doreen and Dorrington from the Roosevelt Freeport Church of God in Long Island. Really appreciate it. I just want to tell many people more thanks and thanks for what has been done. Really give God thanks, and for the team. Kino and him team, I really appreciate it. So thanks to the many work and thanks again to everybody who chip in and put in. Really appreciate it. God bless.
And you know, Marcia from Marcia.
Oh, the TV. Yes. Oh, she never there.
No. I must say, I just want to say thanks very much for this nice flat screen TV. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it, so you can enjoy himself and watch it.
And the boombox is from Sonia.
And the boombox from Sonia, we really appreciate it. We really want to say thanks from the bottom of our heart. Yeah, we really appreciate it, and thanks for the many blessings. Thanks for what you have done, sir. Your food basket will never be empty. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it.
And Tata, go on with the face here, me. And keep strong, you know. So hopefully we'll come back next time we can see TV on wall and do things. And Tata foot cock up in that bed and you know, Tata get new bed and thing. Bed look high. You know too high for you.
No man, it was too tall.
Bed high, still not plastic.
We have to leave the plastic.
Leave the plastic on it.
Come here, body move for wear the pampers them. Things me have a spank him ass.
So
he laugh for me.
So Tata, you have to wear the pampers them, you know, so you don't know. From him there to wear, you have to wear them. So you know, repeat at the bed. And then with new pillow, wow. But like the colour still, see the painter himself and liquor. Doing a good job.
Team. Yes.
Dream
team, one team.
He paint up the wall himself with the same colour. You know? And do that good work, you know? And the window, we need to get the window size. Because somebody must say they want to start out the window for him. So we need to start out the window as well too. So we need the size. So we get paint for that too. So we'll be paint.
That's right.
Come on, you know to start. Stay please. That's what I said.
We'll put that there.
From the ground.
Yeah man, we're going to
Linoleum for the floor. So
we're going to get a different set over here.
You still have it?
Yeah. So I get linoleum for the floor and then I put thing there. You know? Tata, you come for you now. You want a girl come rub your feet for you now. With the TV up. And laugh. So give thanks again once more to the people that reach out and everything. So
dream team. One team.
Alright then, bless them. To the weather invasion.
You don't know, you know?
Yeah, I know. Whoa, today, now.
I know what today.
And take over.
We just borrow the kitchen for now.
Yeah. And I deal with the ital. It's vital.
Yeah, today is a special day, no people.
Yeah.
We're gonna take over from Italian Spike, but they don't know. Health and Wellness Day today, and every day we have to eat the whole heap of chicken and them something there.
Yeah.
You see him? So, we're going to small feature people.
Yeah, where I get them
show them this Kino. So this is kalaloo rice. This I go and cook up first and then we pour in the rice and so
kalaloo rice as kalaloo and rice.
Yeah man, kalaloo rice man. Don't know season up with the coconut juice and all of them something, the scallion and thyme and all of them something there.
Scallion and thyme.
So we got the kalaloo rice, vegetable stew. We're about to put the coconut in that now because the peas partially cooked. Yeah. And then we just throw in the ground food them which are them over here so they come up on this side.
So go on over here.
See that people?
So they have the ground food on the side.
Yeah, they have the ground food that go in a vegetable stew.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, pumpkin, Irish sweet potato, carrot, and them stuff there. Okra go in it too as well, but that after when them food are partially cooked, we add in the last part. Yeah. Then this now people on the side. We are going to steam this now. Cabbage, ake, okra in it too as well, and pumpkin. And them somebody you don't know well seasoned up.
Big things you might go on with, you know, so I go on, whoa. Whoa, one there.
I can borrow Italian Spike
yeah, man,
something.
Can borrow them style,
yeah, man. Whoa. But we don't know if I say it good.
Yeah. Italian Spike.
Yeah, people. Well, health and wellness today.
Yeah. So I tell God, the whole Italian Spikes are rest today.
Yeah, man, rest. You come give me 1 and 3 and I'm gone.
Yeah, I'm going run from the side.
So I'm going run from the side and see what happens. People, normally a coconut milk. Yeah. But in the interest of time, we are going to use some coconut powder for now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And make them know, introduce themselves and make them know our name. And great Rick Caldino.
Which is right.
Rick Caldino himself in the kitchen paper. He take over the Italian Spikes and give it the Ital Spikes.
Just for today?
Yeah. Can I take a day off and give you a special health day today, so we have to give thanks for him to give it a strength for today. And the man said, love how the dream team are working.
Which is right.
You come give you a strength and some ital cooking. You know? And you take a day off work just to come do this. Ital is vital. Be a thing that you mean we call Dino. It's not Ronaldinho.
Chef GMC, you know what I mean?
Chef GMC.
Today, Afro Yardie kitchen, not Italian Spike.
Yeah. So the Afro Yardie kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love the look. I love the look. Come make I'm so forward back. So forward back. Preparation looking good with.
Yeah man.
Preparation looking good. Kalaloo rice, you know, the first man I eat that, you know.
Alive?
Yes, I. Kalaloo rice, you know, the coconut milk.
Yeah, man, that's something different.
You ever hear that before, people? Real Italian Spike style, that, you know, but here, the man say Afro style.
Yeah, man, Afro Yardie.
Afro Yardie style. The great Rick in the chef, Rick in the kitchen.
Whoa!
Yeah, man.
When they gotta come back, you must show me what I'm going. How me for do it? Whoa!
Yeah, you know, we're gonna show you that to them forward back. See there? If you again once more, we're gonna say hello.
See there?
Beautiful.
People, and you know if you boil the ackee first. Once you steam it down with the cabbage, everything good.
Yeah.
So, everything was already and prepared. So, we just set it on.
For steam.
Yeah.
Alright, this has been as a special today. And the chef stove are going with 8 things. Whoa! Alright, we're going to start it again with 8 things.
See now we are adding them food and all people.
Yeah. Pumpkin and everything. Jaja. Pumpkin and the Irish adding.
Black man going to bigger pot. But they got to tell me say it could have won.
Look, so.
Now make it work, man.
I'll have to go work. Float over, maybe a prayer over it.
Yeah, that's what I know. I pray people at the prayer it work. Then God tell me about it and he tell me what I want me to say in my prayer.
Yeah. Afro style. Pot smell good, the kitchen I go and go in, because the kitchen smell good and everything.
So you see like how it's so full up now, I'm not cover the pot yet. Make it go and simmer down first. Yeah. And then we... People, this is not a takeover. Remember, Italian Spice Kitchen with Dana.
GMC.
There's a boy here.
Yeah, man.
Come circle here already.
Yeah, man.
I realize that yo. And the Afro chef there.
Yeah, man, I see it.
And the Ital thing.
Ital Afro chef there.
Yeah. Rickon D, you know.
Yeah, man, I see it.
With the Ital Vital today.
See that, brother?
I see it.
I'm saying now take over the restaurant, it's a one day thing.
Yeah, man, because the man is special, it's different, you know.
Yeah. Rick himself. So you are doing the sharing.
Yeah, you don't know. A Jesus with me, you know.
Yeah, so.
And you know to make one loaf of bread, share for the multitude.
Yeah, man, you know.
Yeah.
Big stew, pass, become like this.
Yes, see the callaloo rice.
Everything special.
Yes,
That's stew, pass.
See that we have local vegetable on the side. With ackee and them some of them.
Ja.
Pumpkin day night, okra.
Yeah. And this are the
Vegetable stew.
cheese. Italian spikes.
I was told them they make
Bobo
oil all up on this side.
Bobo Sorry, the Bobo is so go on. Jaja. I don't mean it. Record day, you know. Man, make sure to take a day off, you know, for say I'm going to do this for you, you know. You see me? Day off for work.
Right. Callaloo rice.
Whoa.
I tell you.
Italian spikes with the Afro bars.
The rest of the food, yeah. See, people from nowhere need it. Or England. Or US and pound like it. See that?
US and pound, callaloo rice. So whoever eat callaloo rice before?
What is the maestro?
Vegetable on the side with ackee. So ackee and carrot and cabbage.
No, pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yeah, we have ackee, cabbage, pumpkin, okra.
Whoa. Italian spike. Second list Italian spice.
Yes, man.
Where you say the wow bars and the Afro bars.
Italian spice student, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. But me come from Africa, I'm an Italian.
Yeah.
One in the car.
Yeah. Italian spikes.
So we can shoot them for yourself.
Are you a share man?
Are you a share one?
Yeah, shoot for them.
Yeah. That's me tell you, say, you know for share for the money.
Italian spikes. Think up with the Afro bars. They mean it. Love the look. Yeah. Healthy bars. Fitness first. Yeah. Definitely. Most likely.
Health and wellness, you know? Dream team, one team.
Well, fit up food, you know, the man that might eat well.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make